Hi, I'm Daniel from XT Code Tech. I'll show you how to export any Twitter user's followers, following, or verified followers to a CSV using our Chrome extension TwFollowExporter. First, install the extension from the Chrome Web Store. The link is in the video description. Next, copy the Twitter handle of the account you're interested in, open TwFollowExporter, paste the handle, and choose Followers, Verified Followers, or Following. For this demo, I'll pick Followers and press Start. I'm exporting only a small sample here, but you can pull the full list whenever you need. When the download finishes, open the CSV and you'll see columns such as ID, handle, name, bio, CanDM, location, total favorites by user, followers count, following count, media count, profile banner URL, profile URL, avatar URL, post count, verified, and is blue verified. Ideal for deeper analysis or research. Don't forget the History tab. It lets you view past exports, resume paused jobs, or regenerate CSVs at any time. Ready to try it? Grab TwFollowExporter for free from the link in the description.